Hi and welcome to the Minecraft family channel. This is Tyra. Today I have an unboxing of the new silk canvases that you can buy both of Alibaba but also from AliExpress. And let's see if I can just get it out of its box. I think I ordered 3 paintings. And I ordered from Alibaba because they are a bit more cheap than the AliExpress ones. So let's see if I can get them out. Sorry, I think I'm going to be totally out of sight and view for you. Let's see, these are the 3. They come a bit more pressed and scratched and so on than normal because they've sent them with China mail, so they are just a bit more squashed. Let's see if I can unsqueeze them a bit. So yeah, so I ordered 3 of them, and I think I'm just only going to unbox one at a time in each video, otherwise it's going to take lots of time to unbox. So that's the 3 ones. So I think I'm going to start with this one because that looks really cool. So yeah, let me take the other ones to the side and let's take a look at the one. So I'm back. As you can see, this one is a fully beaded area, as you can see here. It's a 60 x 60 centimeters, painting size is 52 x 52. Unicorn Dreamy Family, it's called. And here is some, if I turn, here is the instructions, and there's some instructions if you want to read, some more instructions, and here they are. So let's try and get into it. I hope I'm not like this. And open. And they come with a carrying handle, so they're easy to carry around. And the box is with that design where it's almost where it shines a lot. So let's see what we've got in here. So they come packaged like this in a bag, I can see. Let's dump it out on the table. If I can. It's stuck. Oh no! It came out. It was stuck in the handle. So here is the canvas in the bag, which I love. I love these bags. So let's take it out. Yeah, I've never had. These are totally new. They're funny. They are not anything like anything that I've had before of canvases. It's more. It's thinner than the other ones. I don't know. It's really clothy, but it looks really good. So here is the picture. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, you can. It looks good, doesn't it? We'll just move it up here. As this is one of these canvases which unfold themselves, I can just do like this, roll it around and take it out like this. Normally puckering like this would be a catastrophe, but I think in this, can you see this? Did you see that puckering? And now I've taken up the, so it went away like magic. So let's just lift it up. Nice and sticky. Beautiful. And here we have all the drills. So let's see, I can already see there's AB diamonds in here. There's no inventory sheet in it, but it seems to be packaged in a different way from the short length canvases that I've seen before, or that I've received before. These are in a smaller bag, but still with the same number system, so you're not going to have any DMC colors, but you can convert them into DMC by using the online DMC converter to Anchor, I think it is. So here you have a green one, a soft beige one, and white, and some more beige, blues, another green, purple, another purple, a black, a gray, brown, some more grays, greens in different kinds of shades, another green down here, some different beige greenish colors. Here there's some more, and here there are some more. So they're different in size and so on, I can tell. Also with the amount of drills in there. But I've never run out of drills when it comes to this store. So let's see, there's some more greens and blues here. Like this, perfect blues. Some purples. And another black one. Like this. And a red one. And then finally we have two AB diamond colors. Beautiful. Toolkit like always. And if I take you down a bit, because now I've really messed up the beads, so I just wanted to show you how I get the beads back into the bag. So I'm just going to sit down for this. So what I do is, this is pretty easy I think this time, because I just gather them. These are really handy, so you're able to put them back really nice. And like this. Shaky, shaky. So let's see if I can also get these down. Let's see. And then we can just take a look at how many colors there are. Final one. I'm sorry for all the noise that I'm making, but that's the name of the game. Let's see. So I feel now, when I've got them lying almost perfect, I just take a feel and also visual, just look if I think that it's equal distributed. So it's a bit more fat up here, so I just remove some of them. So now I think I've got them pretty equal distributed and then I just take them back down, and then I just roll them like this, and then they come closed. For those of you who want to keep their paintings in their boxes, it's a really nice, easy way to do it if you want to do inventory. So let's just look at how many colors there are. I'm going to count in Danish. 1, 2, 3, or in English. 6, 10, 13, 16, 20, 23, 26, 30, 36 colors in it, so that's pretty good. I think this is going to be one of those. It's pretty easy done, and I think if you see the symbols, they're really clear. They are so clear, so going to be fun to work on. Really, really nice and clear. You can see all the symbols out here if you want to, and as you can see, they are not in DMC codes. So either you like it or you don't. I don't really think about it anymore. So I'm just going to roll this back up like this and put it back into its bag. Close its bag. Let's see if I can do that without doing any damage, and then I can just put it back into its box. Perhaps the handle is in a bit of a way. I think it's the handle though. Let's see if I can just drive it up. Well, let's see. Perhaps I should just try and open it this way. So let's see if I can catch it with my fingers here. I can't. It is just a carrying thingy. So I just dragged it through on the other side and then closing it up. And yeah, back into its box. And yeah, so I think I'm going to just record 3 unboxings of them so we can go through them all. And so this is part 1, and if you want to see the next one, I'm going to post them within the next couple of weeks. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Comments below if you have any questions. I'm going to link to this to the store on Alibaba. And yeah, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.